Hey guys, Dr. Chris here. The question of the day was, how does chiropractic care keep you healthy? To answer that question, we have to start with what the definition of health actually is. Health is one of the modern scientific definitions of health is having 100% function in all of your cells all of the time. So what that means is all of the different organs and systems of your body, heart, lungs, etc., the immune system, if every cell that makes up those organs and systems was doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, then you're healthy. Well, the question becomes, if we're going to try to maximize function in those cells, where does function come from? And the answer is your brain. Your brain is the storehouse of every function that will ever happen in your body. For me to move my finger, that action or function doesn't begin in my finger. It begins in my brain, travels through the nervous system, and makes the action happen in the muscles within my finger. For me to digest my breakfast, that action doesn't begin in the stomach. It begins in the brain, travels through the nervous system, food is digested. For me to fight an infection or heal from an injury, those actions begin as electrical signals in the brain traveling through the nervous system and then causing an action to take place in those cells. Now, we know that it goes even beyond that. It's not just your health. Those actions and functions are what keep you alive. That's what makes you a living thing. And we know this because if we were to stop those electrical signals from coming from the brain to the body, you would be dead instantly. If somebody were to tragically break their neck and sever their spinal cord, they die like that. It's over. Now, what would happen instead if we didn't sever the spinal cord and we didn't stop those signals completely, but we just tweaked them a little bit? We pinched some off, we irritated and twisted those nerves in the spinal cord. What would happen to those signals? They would become distorted, and the information traveling through the nerves to all the cells and organs would no longer be 100% accurate information. So those organs and systems couldn't function anywhere near 100%. So what chiropractic's real job is, and the way that it keeps you healthy, is it protects the spinal cord. The spine is what chiropractors use to make sure that the communication through the nervous system is as healthy as possible. Our job is to make sure that that spine is working properly and doing its job, which is to protect those nerves so that you can maximize the communication between your brain and all the different cells that make up your body. So how does chiropractic keep you healthy? It makes sure that your brain has accurate communication with all the different cells of your body, leaving you as close to 100% function as possible, which by definition is health.